Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play as a number 9. To excel in this crucial role, you must understand your primary objective: scoring goals. You are the focal point of your team's attack, responsible for converting chances. This position demands a relentless pursuit of the net, often requiring you to be in the right place at the right time. Your ability to finish will directly impact your team's success. To truly dominate as a number 9, you need a specific set of attributes. First, hone your shooting. Practice striking with both feet from 20 yards and closer. Second, build your physical strength to effectively shield the ball and hold off challenging defenders. Third, develop explosive speed and agility to create separation and react quickly in tight spaces. Finally, strong aerial prowess is vital for winning headers and scoring from crosses. Your movement without the ball is just as critical as your finishing. Always look to make intelligent runs, exploiting the space between opposing defenders. Position yourself strategically to receive through balls, often just off the shoulder of the last defender. Learn to drag defenders wide or deep, creating valuable space for your attacking midfielders or wingers. Anticipating the play and reading passes is key to getting into prime scoring positions. Becoming a clinical finisher requires dedicated practice and mental fortitude. Master different techniques, from powerful shots to delicate chips, and practice volleys and headers regularly. Always aim for the corners of the goal, focusing on placement over sheer power. Crucially, follow up on every single shot. Many goals come from anticipating and reacting to rebounds. Maintain composure in one-on-one situations, making the goalkeeper commit before you strike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.